How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the TNT Auto Parts YouTube channel. My name's Jack, and today we're going to be going through a quick review on our REM sun visors. Stay tuned. All right, so today we have our 70 to 77 Dodge B-Series van sun visors in light blue. These are made by the company REM Automotive. All of their stuff is made right here in the United States, made with materials from the States. They have hundreds of materials to choose from, all factory-correct grain vinyl, and hundreds of factory-correct colors to choose from. These are exact reproductions, so there's no worry about fitment. Beautiful. We have hundreds and hundreds of sun visors to choose from for all makes and models like Ford, GM, Mopar, AMC, DeSoto, and etc. Most of our sun visors are in stock in black. Color options are custom order. Wait times are up to 6 weeks, but please call for current availability.